Hello student, in this video I will start a new chapter of class 10 maths, that is chapter number 12, area related to circles. Okay, so dear children, we are already familiar some method to finding perimeter and area of simple plane figure such as rectangle, triangle, parallelogram and circle from earlier classes. Okay, but dear children, in your daily life we see many objects which is in the form of circular shape. Okay, like cycle wheelbarrow means thela. Okay, and many design which is in the form of circular, like bangles, brooches, washers, papad. Okay, so these are figures which is in the form of circular shape. Okay, so dear children, basically in this chapter we will start to your discussion start to finding the perimeter and area of a circular figure. Then we will also discuss to finding the area of two special part related to the circle, like segment and sector. Okay, and also study the area combination of figure of in the form of circular. Okay, so dear children, when we talk about the circumference of a circle, so generally the perimeter of a circle are known as circumference. Okay, perimeter or boundary. So this is the perimeter or boundary of a circle. This is known as circumference of a circle. Okay, and circumference of circle is also defined. The circumference of a circle is bear a constant ratio with its diameter. Okay, the circumference of circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. Okay, with its diameter. The constant ratio is denoted by a Greek letter. This is Greek letter. The name of this Greek letter is pi. Okay, so pi equal to circumference. Okay, circumference upon diameter. Pi is the constant ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. So this is pi circumference. Suppose this circumference of circle is denoted by capital letter C and diameter is D. So this is C, capital C is the circumference, and we know the relationship of diameter of circle and radius. So this is 2r. Now multiply So we will get c equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so this is the formula to finding the perimeter of the circle. Okay, c equal to 2 pi r. C equal to 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. Okay, and now move to the next topic, area. Okay, area of a circle. What is the formula? Area of a circle. Area of a circle. Okay, children. So this is a circle of radius r. This is a circle of radius r. Now cutting this circle of radius r in equal number of sector. Okay, means like this form. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, for your choice we cutting equal number of sector in many, like according to you, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Okay, now we arranging this sector in this form, like this is first part of the one, and next part 2, and this is 3, 4, 6, 7. This is 6. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now arranging this in this form. Now if you observe clearly, we will closely find this figure as a rectangle. Okay, in the shape of rectangle. So this is the radius r, which is over here, radius r. This part is radius, and total length of this perimeter of this circle, which is 2 pi r, but half part is going to down and half is below. Okay, so total is 2 pi r, then half is pi r. So this is pi r and this is pi r. Okay, so length is pi r and breadth is r. So this is rectangle in the form of rectangle. So we know to calculating the area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. Okay, so length is pi r and breadth is r, which is equal to pi r square. Okay, this is the formula to finding the area circle. Okay, pi r square. Okay, area of circle equal to pi r square. Okay, again move to the next part. The formula area of semicircle. Okay, area of semicircle equal to half of the area of circle, which is 1 by 2 pi r square. Okay, this is the area of semicircle, 1 by 2 pi r square. Okay, and when talk about the circumference of semicircle, this is semicircle. So we know this is the center, this is the r, and this is the r. Okay, half of the perimeter of circle, total is 2 pi r, and half is pi r. Okay, so perimeter of semicircle equal to, this is pi r plus r plus r. Okay, r plus r equal to pi r plus 2 bar, circumference of circle. Okay, and in circle also contain quadrant. Okay, quadrant. Then what is the formula? Area पे quadrant, यहाँ पे circle. So in circumference, in circle we draw two diameter which is perpendicular to each other. Then this diameter divide the whole circle in 4 equal part. Okay, 4 equal part. Each part of the circle is called quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So therefore area, to calculating the area of quadrant, this area of quadrant equal to 1 by 4, means 1/4 part of the circle is called quadrant. So this is 1/4 part area of circle. Okay, 1 by 4 pi r square. Area of the quadrant equal to 1 by 4 pi square. Okay. So dear children, similarly we will calculate its perimeter. Okay, using the same concept. This is r, this is r, and this circle divided in 4 equal part. So total is 2 pi r. Now dividing 2 pi r by 4. So 1 by 2 pi r, 1 by 2 pi r. This circumference means perimeter. Okay. So I revise once again. The pi equal to, pi is the Greek symbol which is bear a constant ratio with circumference of a circle to its diameter. Okay, it is denoted pi. Then we will find the formula of circumference equal to 2 pi r. Next, area of circle equal to pi r square, and area of semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square, and area of quadrant, 1/4 part of circle is called quadrant. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. Now in next video I will solve exercise 12.1. Okay. This exercise based on the perimeter of a circumference of a circle and area of a circle. Okay.